Yeah, we got something. 25-pound test line today on the Handline. And 12 line pound. Yep. Blue. Little boy blue. The full moon of June. Another nice little sandwich. Called sandwich fish. Oh gosh. One thing about the Handline is how often you'll have something on the line and not even know it. Just a little baby channel here. Quarter of a sandwich. Night crawlers. This was getting it done today. Now we caught him on 25-pound line on one of my thump rigs, the small thump rig that only uses a number 10 hook. I mean, it works. Okay. Oh, fellas. Oh, I don't know what I got now. Oh, fellas. Boys and girls. Ooh. He ate that, spit the hook, and came around for another pass and got tangled up in the line. Wow. Drifting night crawlers, fellas, on a thump rig. Up here on the shelf. The 25-pound line is winning the game. And it's not the 25-pound test line. It's these thump rigs. Right? Remember the thump rigs? Versus the flies by themselves. So the thump rig, this water is very sooty because of Hurricane Claudette or tropical storm, whatever it is. And the fish gonna have more trouble finding the bait. That thump rig sends out a lot of light and a lot of vibration. It makes it easier for the fish to find the bait. Got a good sandwich. Sandwiches, baby. Sandwiches. What it's about? It's about a fish sandwich. Find if you slather enough hot sauce and mustard and ketchup on something, you can almost ignore the bad taste. The breading is just horrible. It's trying to make it like a low carb thing. You're better off just blackening the fish. But the fish itself tastes very good. You have to use real flour and beer to do a proper British style fish and chips. But hey, we fished, we caught them, we cooked them, we're eating them.